Welcome to our guide on the best garden walkway designs. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a beautifully designed walkway that leads you through a paradise of lush greenery and vibrant blooms. Well-planned garden walkway can transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you have a small backyard or a sprawling estate, the right walkway design can make a significant difference. Stepping stone walkways are a charming and informal option that creates a whimsical path inviting exploration. Lay out the path of your walkway using garden hoses or ropes, deciding on the placement of the stepping stones. Mulch walkways are an eco-friendly and cost-effective option that provides a natural look and is comfortable to walk on. Paver walkways are versatile and come in a variety of shapes, colors, and textures. They can be used to create intricate designs or simple paths. Plan the layout of your walkway and mark it with stakes and string. Concrete walkways offer a modern and sleek look and are durable enough to be customized with various finishes, colors, and patterns. Wooden walkways add a natural and warm element to gardens and are ideal for gardens with uneven terrain or areas prone to moisture. Creating a beautiful and functional garden walkway is a rewarding project that enhances the overall appeal of your outdoor space. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of gravel, the elegance of stone, the classic look of brick, the natural feel of wood, the versatility of pavers, the whimsy of stepping stones, the eco-friendliness of mulch, or the modernity of concrete, there is a walkway designed to suit every garden. By following these simple steps, you can create a stunning walkway that will be enjoyed for years to come. Ready to get started? Your dream garden walkway awaits. Let's turn that vision into reality and transform your outdoor space today.